want to show you a little bit of my decorations and how I decorate for the holidays, staying within a budget of $100 to $150. Most of this stuff I had last year, so I really didn't buy anything new. Pretty much everything up there is from last year. Let me zoom in. Everything on the fireplace is from last year, including the stockings. I got those stockings, believe it or not, from the Dollar Tree. So the tree, I like my tree to be like old school. Like, I don't like, you know, how a lot of trees are decorated in these days, no offense. It just gives me that old school going over grandma's house feeling, and that's why I try to keep my tree like super old school, as you can tell. I don't really like the white Christmas lights, but you know, like I said, most of this stuff is from last year. I really didn't spend any money this year, and those, if you see my decorations or followed me, been rocking with me since day one, you remember those decorations from last year. I still have to get a skirt for the tree. I wanted to get something good quality, and I was looking at Target, so I might see what Target has. Okay, and so this is the living room decorations. So, you know, I usually bring out those sequence pillows around this time of the year. And that's just a throw, because Georgia loves to lay on this couch, so you know you got to keep a throw. On the table, it's just decorations. Just this was on the table last year. I had a different type of table along with that fall candle. And then on this end table, I just have a pumpkin and some stuff that I'm actually going to get rid of this table. I'm going to actually get a black table. I was thinking about, instead of getting a black table, just spray painting this table black. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do. I normally decorate under $100 for Christmas. Got a new rug and a new table, and then Georgia has a bookshelf. And I also have this, which this is like a little bar, and I just put these little candles here. And I need to hang up those stockings right there. And then this is how I decorated the table. It's just me and Georgia. I don't know if I'm filling these bar stools with this table, or should I have just gotten regular chairs. I can take these bar stools back. The chairs that go to this table is just so matchy, and I just did not like it. Like, it looked a mess. I didn't like it. That's why I chose these bar stools. So I don't know. I think I just got to get used to it. I don't know. I don't know if I'm feeling those bar stools. But yeah, guys, this is, you know, some of my decorations. Oh, and it was a picture up there. I took that down and put the Merry Christmas sign. I wasn't going to do too much this year. Oh, excuse me, I knocked into the table. I wasn't going to do this too much this year because, you know, you guys all know what we're dealing with, COVID-19. You know, as you can see, I keep the Lysol on deck. It never leaves this area. We're dealing with COVID-19, and I'm just really, guys, not in the mood this year for the holiday. I'm just not. I don't know, so this is probably it. I'm just gonna get a Christmas skirt, and that's probably it. Let me plug up the Christmas tree so you guys can see. So, you know, it blinks. So I'm really just not gonna do a lot. This is pretty much it. I'm not in the mood. But I'm not done with the living room. Well, I am done with the living room. Like I said, I'm either gonna replace this or paint this black, this table spray painted black or gray, either or. With the dining room, guys, I'm going to actually put 2 big old plants. See that corner right there? It feels so empty. That's probably why I don't like this table here. But I am going to put 2 big old plants right there. So I want one like right in this corner. And then I'm going to put a vase probably somewhere back there, a vase and a plant. But like I said, I'm thinking about going and get 2 chairs. The chairs that actually match this and set one on this side and the other on that side. So I'll probably do that. I'm not sure. But yeah, this is the base of the decorations. These cute little like coffee, tea, whatever, apple cider mugs at Big Lots. I got this one is Georgios. It's got like a truck with the Christmas tree in the back and the lights. I got one as well as mine is with the snow snowman on it. Y'all, my skin has been looking so good and I really haven't drunk a drop of water. Like, it's been hard to drink water because, you know, my stomach's been bothering me, but I need to take these braids down, y'all. I still have not gotten my nails done. They look a mess. Yeah, so I'm getting ready to make Giorgio some burritos. I want to show you guys how I make burritos in like 20 minutes. He wants burritos. Right now I can't have burritos. I can't eat Mexican food at all, y'all. Look, I bought these candles. These are Febreze by Febreze, and this is in cranberry spice, I think. Oh my goodness, it smells so good, y'all. $4.99 for 2. I got one burning right now on the table. So I'm browning the meat right now for the burritos. Hot beans, I got the traditional ones by Kroger. You need your tortilla shells. And those are also by Kroger. And you're going to need your salsa. And cheese of your choice. I gotta ask Giorgio, do he want cheese? Because he always, you know, sometimes he wants cheese and sometimes he don't. And sour cream. Now sometimes I'll add rice in here. I'll add just a little bit of rice. Just white rice, whatever rice of your choice. And I'll show you guys, once I get all this prepared, how I fry my tortillas. I like your pajama set, babe.
What's that?
It's Yeti.
Yeah.
He's always drinking out of my cup. This is mine. His is the one with the truck on it. Hey guys, I wanted to keep this Vlogmas going because this is my favorite time of the year and I'm going to try to do my best. But as you guys know, I'm not doing very well with my stomach. I have good days and bad days, but it seems like lately I've been having more bad days than good. But I'm still going to keep this Vlogmas going, y'all. Y'all know this is not normally me. The nails, the hair.
We wish you